Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Eficentline 4-in-1 automatic milk frother. The model type is TF101 and this is what we get. We get the heater, we get the cup, and we get a lid, and we get this whisk and actually also a replacement whisk, which is really nice. And the really nice thing here is that it's very versatile. You can use it for 4 different options or even more options, but we have basically 4 buttons here with different functions. And it's very easy to clean. This is one of the biggest advantages here, what I see, especially when we compare it to these fully automated systems which we can get. This is one of the most famous brands, and I can show you here how difficult it is to clean it. We have to take it apart. We have a lot of different parts here. You can see how many parts we have to clean, and they are very difficult because they are inside in a pipe, and here the whole block here inside we cannot open. We can't really clean it, so we have to do this at least every day. It takes me about 5 minutes, and we are still not sure how clean it is inside. So this is the much better solution. You can see it's just a normal cup here inside, absolutely nothing which we cannot reach or so to clean. There's only this whisk here. We can even take it apart if you want, but I had it yesterday in a dishwasher and it got super clean, so absolutely no need to take it apart. And this is where it goes here, just on top of this notch, so it can freely spin here. And I had also this lid here in the dishwasher, and you can see everything looks like new after dishwasher, so definitely dishwasher safe. So this is much easier to clean and to use. What we have to know is that we have this minimum and maximum levels here inside. The minimum is about 150 milliliters, maximum is 250 milliliters. What they are saying in the instructions is that we should use only about 150 milliliters maximum for the milk frothing and 250 milliliters for normal heating without frothing. I have tested it yesterday with the maximum means 250 milliliters for hot frothing, like hot foam, and there was absolutely no problem. It didn't even touch this lid here. And by the way, this lid is really good, it's safe, and even if it would touch here it wouldn't spill or so. I think this is a really good thing, but if you want to be absolutely safe, take a little bit less. So what we have to take, of course, is cold milk. There are a couple of different possibilities. You can use almost any kind of milk, but the most important thing is that you are using cold milk right out of the fridge. And when you put it on top here, you can see the lights and you get the selection. Here we have 3 times hot, hot foam, hot milk, hot chocolate, or we can even produce cold foam. So here I want to show you the hot foam. So we put the lid on it and we press the button, and usually it starts working right away, and it's even very silent. If you have the impression that something is not doing very well, like it produces some strange sound or it's not spinning or so, take it away and put it on again and press the button again. I had it once. Usually it's absolutely no problem, works absolutely reliable. I just had it once that it was producing some strange noise. Maybe it was because of the magnetic acceleration. I took it away, put it back, press the button again, and everything worked fine. So you can see, takes some time, of course, because of the heating. So it really does everything at once. You just need to press one button and then wait till the light turns off, and then you will know that it's finished. So it starts heating up and spins the whole time. Takes about 2 minutes or so, and it's even fun to watch. You can see that the milk is going higher and higher, and you know that it's producing the foam. We can already feel that it's a little bit warming up here, so you're probably about in the middle of the whole process. And of course towards the end it's getting very hot. It's not double wall insulated or so don't touch it here, but it's very safe to use the handle. There's absolutely no heat to feel, so it's very safe. Also it has very nice handle here for the top of the lid, and you can see it's stopping. Now it's blinking. That's pretty much the end of the whole thing. Still spinning and now stopped. And you can see we can take it away. Of course, you have to be careful now because it's really hot. You shouldn't put it like on a sensitive surface, and we can take it away. Absolutely not hot. And now you can see already this really nice foam. I pour it in here and you can see how nice this is. Really nice, thick foam, exactly as we want it. It fills up the whole glass. You can see there's really a lot. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I should avoid to put it here, so I put it back here. I've been grabbing a spoon to really show you how thick this thing is. As you can see, this is absolutely amazing. Great consistency here with this foam. Absolutely amazing. This is as good as it gets. Used it already a couple of times. So if you want to use it with a coffee, make sure that it's not totally full. Then pour in 1 or 2 espressos here inside and you will have the best latte of your lifetime. This is absolutely perfect, so I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.